Hi guys, welcome back. This thing's hard to steer. She's pretty fast though. Sorry, I had to do that. So right here, this turn is hell. I'll see if I can hit it full speed. So this one right here too, I have to slow way down. That was pretty good. Oh, slow way down. Alright, see if I can, so see it almost goes straight. My racing line's not too great either. Come on. If you slow down a little bit, you can make it. Oh, I missed the turn. Oh, that's about as good as I can take that turn. Slow way down. And keep it cranked. No gas right there. Nice slide, but it was a little too much. It's very hard to get it to slide. Oh. Or it slides too good. Metal, and I just replaced that gear in there, which is metal now. It was all chewed up plastic. Of course, I've got the basher bumper, a little bit different front shocks. I don't know why I did that. Leaking. Original shocks were leaking, I think. So I've had the tires off a couple times. I keep coming back to these ones. I'm trying to think of what else I did to this car. Maybe like shimmed the diffs, I guess. And that's about it. It's taken a couple good beatings. But yeah, it's been a good car. I'm gonna go get another one. We'll do it again. Keep it rolling.